Close your eyes for a moment and imagine stepping off a seaplane to soft white sand beneath your feet, a gentle breeze carrying salt and warmth, and infinite blue stretching all around. This is what Velaa Private Island offers, an invitation to leave behind the ordinary and live in luxury defined by beauty, peace, and design. Velaa sits in the heart of Nunu Atoll, 45 minutes by seaplane from Malé, and yet it feels eons away. Here, every element is curated. Villas that float above the water, beachfront villas that open onto secluded verandas, pathways of light wood that invite wandering, and gardens blooming with color. The moment you arrive, the world slows, and the ocean becomes your horizon. The accommodation at Velaa is nothing short of breathtaking. Velaa features only 47 villas and residences, each designed with absolute privacy and elegance in mind. Whether it's a beach pool villa hidden among lush palms or an overwater villa that opens directly into the lagoon, every space feels like your own private world. Inside, the interiors blend modern sophistication with island warmth. Think teak wood, natural stone, and soft fabrics that echo the surrounding sea and sand. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the rooms with light, and expansive decks invite you to soak in the views. For the ultimate indulgence, there's the romantic pool residence, accessible only by boat, a floating paradise designed for two. With a private pool, sunken bathtub, and butler service, it's one of the most intimate and exclusive escapes in the Maldives. Each villa whispers tranquility, but what makes Velaa truly remarkable is how it anticipates your every need before you even think of it. From personalized room scents to hand-picked pillows, every touch feels intentional and unique. As dinner settles and the sky softens, the culinary experiences at Velaa become one of life's great pleasures. Breakfast at a Theory restaurant is a sensory feast. Tropical fruits, fresh pastries, and made-to-order dishes enjoyed just steps from the sand. But dining here is not just about food, it's about experience. The resort's Araga restaurant, helmed by a Michelin-trained chef, transforms each meal into art. Expect European-inspired dishes crafted from local ingredients, paired with rare wines from one of the Maldives' most extensive cellars. For something more relaxed, Tavaru, the resort's iconic overwater tower restaurant, offers teppanyaki with panoramic ocean views, where flavors and performance meet under the open sky. And when the day ends, Avi Bar becomes the perfect place to unwind with a crafted cocktail as the horizon turns gold and the stars appear one by one. From sunrise to starlight, dining at Velaa feels like a journey through taste, texture, and emotion. Mornings here blend into pools and beaches. The infinity pools stretch toward the lagoons, shimmering blue, and reflect the sky until the afternoon sun turns each ripple into golden light. Beach is never far. Soft sand, calm water, places to stretch out beneath palms or to walk along the waterline, while the lagoon reflects pinks and golds in the rising sun. And snorkeling starts right from shore. The house reef teems with coral, fish flitting among soft branches, while you drift among them as quietly as possible. The transition from water to pool to beach feels like stepping through luxuries, one after the other. When energy calls, Velaa answers. Snorkel, dive with certified instructors, or take a boat ride to watch dolphins arc through sunset. On land, tennis courts, a squash court, climbing wall, table tennis, and even a golf academy by Jose Maria Olazabal offer ways to move with intent. Yoga and meditation sessions begin at sunrise on pavilion platforms that seem suspended among palms. And over the course of your day, between ocean breaths and spa whispers, there is time for laughter, motion, and discovery. For guests who want to balance relaxation with movement, the state-of-the-art gym offers ocean views, modern equipment, and private training sessions. Morning yoga on the beach or aqua fitness in the pool brings both body and mind into harmony. The resort also offers personal wellness programs, combining nutrition, mindfulness, and fitness designed around you. It's not just a vacation, it's a chance to reset your whole rhythm. Then spa time beckons. Villa Spa is an escape, with overwater treatment villas, calming interiors, and panoramic windows that frame the horizon. Here, therapies combine modern techniques with ancient traditions, from Balinese massages and Ayurvedic rituals to cutting-edge facial treatments. The highlight? The Cloud9 Dream Chamber, a unique experience designed by Clafs and Shah. It uses sound, vibration, and light to transport you into deep relaxation, a floating meditation unlike anything else in the Maldives. And when you step out, refreshed and renewed, even the breeze feels softer, as if the island itself is exhaling with you. While many choose Villa for couples, the island welcomes families with open arms. The La Villa Kids Club is a delight for younger guests. Designed for children aged 4 to 12, it boasts the Maldives' largest kids' water park, treasure hunts, pirate ship adventures, creative workshops, and even neon discos. Parents drift between playtime, spa time, and quiet dinners, all knowing their little ones are safe, inspired, and joyfully occupied. Evening settles in with elegance. Torches, moonlight, soft music, the scent of ocean air mingled with flowers. Conversations stretch and laughter lingers. Whether you're sipping wine at the Tavru wine cellar, enjoying starlit performance, or stepping into your overwater villa to be lulled by tide and quiet, each night has its own rhythm at Villa. From the first light of dawn to the hush of night, Velaa Private Island is more than luxury. It's a crafted experience, a space where time is lovingly stretched, where every moment invites you to breathe deeply. Whether you're celebrating love, seeking renewal, or simply longing for a place that's as beautiful as the feeling it evokes, Villa is that place. For booking details and exclusive offers, check the link in the description. If you enjoyed this journey, give this video a thumbs up, share your dream island escape in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you these luxurious travel stories from around the world.